We're not insulating these back doors?
Crap. I forgot to put the insulation on there. Ta-ta! Doing these. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And I did this so you would pull it to the right.
Because we're both
Pull it to
right-handed.
the right.
Okay, so there's the other door. So we're not insulating these back doors?
Crap. I forgot to put the insulation on there. Okay. Well, I'll take that down.
Sorry. So what you doing?
I'm building a van.
So this is the insulation inside the panel?
Say it with me. V0001. 3 zeros. This is the back panel. Here's the So here's this one. I'm having a trouble with when you close the door, the panel hits this. So these templates are harder than you would think. So I'm tearing it apart. Anyway, this ladder mounts right there with these brackets. And it all works. But it bumps in to the weather stripping. So I'm having to cut it back about a ½ inch. I had to do that on the other one too, so I know it's doable.
Are you doing it all the way around?
No, just on one edge and the top. This glue comes up pretty good.
What kind of insulation are you using?
This is 3M Thin Slate. It's all the van geeks use. But look at this. But notice this is made for acoustic insulation. It's not really, I guess, not really expected to be a thermal insulation. It does probably give that, but
And that's
that's
the right
kind of
stuff?
not. That's kind of not what I expected. But this is what a lot of people use, so I bought this. I'm going to put this on it.
Does it have an R factor?
You're asking me to read. I don't see an R factor on here. It just says over and over acoustic.
Okay.
Like, I don't really need sound insulation.
Well, maybe we do.
Margot's going to be talking the whole time.
Oh, ouch. Well, you may have the same problem on the sliding door, won't you?
Yeah, I'll just try to do a better job. You know, people say, oh, Roger, you just need to make vans for a living. You know how to do all that stuff. It's like, Are you kidding? I mean, it would take 10 vans to learn enough of the mistakes. Plus, it's so personal. Everyone wants something different. This van is going to be weird. It's going to have tubs.
That's my intro. This van is going to be weird.